Well, children, today we are proceeding for learning the further rules of transforming the direct speeches into the indirect ones. Till now, you have learned the rules how to transform the affirmative forms, negative forms, and interrogative forms into the indirect one. Now, we will learn how to transform imperative sentences into the indirect one. So let's learn how we can transform them into the indirect speeches. As you are well aware, imperative sentences are the form of sentences in which you give command, request, order, you ask something, or you make inquiry, or you give advice, or you ask for some suggestions to someone. So here we will learn how to transform them into the indirect speech.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, as you know the general rule, when we find in the reporting verb said helping verb is given, then we bring the changes. But if you find in the reporting verb some imperative sentence is given, but there in children, as you are well aware, when we find in the reporting verb say or said, then according to that we have to bring the change in the tenses. But if you find in the imperative form of the sentences, there is given in the reporting verb say and said. So what you have to do? You have to replace this reporting verb according to the manner of the mode of command what is given in the sentence. If the order is given in the sentence, then you would replace say and said into orders or order. Okay? In the same way, if you find some requesting form is mentioned in the imperative sentence, then you would change that into requested. Okay? You will use the second form of the verb. Next thing, what we follow in the narration after replacing the reporting verb, if some object is given, we place it and then we replace the inverted commas with some connector. In case of the affirmative sentences, we replace the inverted commas into that, but here we will replace it with the infinitive verb to. Okay, replace it with to. And then what you have to do? You have to write simply the same sentence that is given over there. Let's now understand through example. Another example of the imperative sentence. Read the sentence. Here is given, the mother said to the child, don't go near the fire. So here in this sentence, the mother is giving the warning to the child not to go near the fire. So how we will transform? Let's now learn the rule. So let's understand through one more example of the imperative form of the sentences. Let's now read the statement. Here it is given, the mother said to the child, don't go near the fire. So here we come to know this mother subject, she is giving the warning to the object child about something. Okay, that means she is warning the child not to do that work. So let's know how to transform. First of all, we will repeat the subject mother, then said to reporting verb, we will replace the word warned the child. So here one thing more children you should learn. Here in the sentence is given the word do not. So what you will do, if you find do not is given in the statement, you should change that into not to. Okay? We will replace do not with not to. So the mother warned the child not Now put the infinitive verb to, then write go near the fire. The similar rule that you have to write down the statement like this, okay, without bringing any tense change. Note down the same statement down in the indirect form. I hope you have understood. But there is one more mode of transforming such sentences where we are forbidding something or somebody to not do some action. Let's learn. There is another mode also you can follow to change such sentences in which you are giving the warnings or forbidding something. Let's now learn that. So here I have told you in the statement the mother is giving the warning to the child not to do something. So let's know the another way how we can do. So first of all you will write the subject mother, then this said to is the order of the mother to the child. So you can replace this said to into the ordered verb. Then write the object child. Again follow the same rule. Change this to not into a not to. Go near the fire. Okay, this is another format you can follow to change the imperative sentences in which we are making someone the warning not to do something. So there is one more mode you can follow to transform this. Let's learn that. So here as we are giving the warning, that means the mother is forbidding. Set to, here you can convert into forbidden. Okay. Now there is one more mode. We can transform such sentences in which we are giving the warning to someone. Mode of transforming such imperative form of the sentence. Let's now learn. Do not also refer that you are forbidding someone to do some action. Forbidding, that means not to do some action. So you can directly pick this word forbid in the reporting mode. So let's now learn how to. Forbid's second form is forbade. Okay, so you have to replace this order with forbade. Okay, then as you know, in the forbidden word already not word is hidden. So what you will do? You will omit this not over there. You will simply write the mother forbade the child to go near the fire. So in this way you can write. So I am writing once again the right form for your better understanding. Let's now see. Okay. See now how you will write the sentence in the correct form. The mother, subject, then said to, we will replace with forbade word. Then the object child, then the rule of transforming imperative, that is you have to add up the infinitive verb to there and then write the verb given in the statement, go near the fire. So again don't bring the change of the tense inside, use the infinitive to give the verb's first form and note down the rest sentence. So in this way, you will make the change of transforming the imperative sentences into the indirect form.
Thank you for watching the video. I hope you have well understood the explanation. For all your doubts and the queries, you can make call or text me.